Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can open up Uber Eats delivery account. So for that you need to open up your browser first, and then you need to search for Uber Eats delivery account, and then just open up the very first link that you will see on the search results. Just open it up, and this is where it will lead you to. Then all you have to do is just click on this option of get started. And here it will ask you to provide your phone number or your email address. Just provide your email address or your phone number over here. Just provide your information and click on continue. After that, a 4-digit code will be sent to your email address or your phone number. If you have provided your phone number, just type that code over here and click on next. After that, it will ask you to provide your phone number if you have provided your email address. So just provide your phone number and verify your phone number. After that, it will ask you to provide your background checks like your details, your address, and choose your location where you want to deliver and all. And after that, it will ask you to provide information regarding your vehicle, if it is a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, and the number for your vehicle, and all the other information related to you and your vehicle. And then you just have to wait for a while after your account gets verified, and you will be able to deliver using Uber Eats. And this is how you get to create your account on Uber Eats. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.